Hi guys, welcome back. For this tutorial, I would like to show to you on how to change this part with pattern plus emissive, and we can change this to a transparent, semi-transparent. Okay, let's check it out. First, we open the Vray first. Okay, and we set this to interactive render, and then go to interactive render. Wait a second. Okay, so now I think I want to make it a bit brighter. Okay, so you see this pattern but with solid material. So I want to be this semi-transparent with pattern and emissive. So we go back to the material asset editor and choose this part, and then we create the new emissive material and we call it as emissive pattern. Okay, read the right flyout and this text slot. We go to bitmap and select this pattern. Okay, so we apply the selection and go to the texture placement, same as before, which is environment. Okay, so you see it has been changed. Go to the screen mapping, and also if you don't satisfied with this pattern, you can adjust it with this, let's say 2. Okay, okay, I think I want to make it 1. Alright, go back and we change this intensity to 10. Alright, then you see the emissive with pattern. And then if you want to make it a semi-transparent, and you can adjust the transparency to 60 to 70%. Okay, so this part has been changed to a semi-transparency with emissive and pattern. Okay, right. So let's say we want also to change this to semi-transparent. Then why not we try to make a new material, new generic material, name it as blue semi-transparent. Okay, so we can choose this part and apply the selection. Then we can change the color to similar, and we can just copy this blue color like we did before, and we paste this to this diffuse color. Okay, then we can play around with the refraction, this this option, so we can make it around 70 to 60 to 70%. And you see this part has been transparent. Okay, so you can adjust this color if you want. So it's the color is almost similar to this. I mean, will be a light blue. Okay. Okay, so I will apply to the other side also. So, okay. So we apply for selection. Alright. Go back to scene 4. So here it is. The part with semi-transparent plus emissive and plus pattern. Okay, simple, right? You just play around with this. And you want this one, if you want to reflect, you can also choose a reflection. So I will make it a little bit of reflection here, maybe around 50%. Okay, tune. So let's render it. Stop first. Okay. I want to make it a night mode. Try to see. Okay. So here it is. So simple, right? Just play around with the texture slot. This one, texture slot. And play around with the emissive. Let's see if I want to make it a 30. Then it will be more brighter, but I think I just want to stick with the very intensity of time. Okay, let's render it with turn on the interactive render and universal render when quality is high. Okay, let's start render. We will continue after this. Alright, now we have finished the rendering. So you can see this emissive with pattern and semi-transparent here. And we got a reflection of this pattern on the floor here. And we save it as a scene 4. Okay. You can see this with actual size. You can see the emissive, the reflection, the semi-transparent for both part. This is solid part, the emissive part. Oi, cicak ni berbunyi pula. Hey, sorry ah. That's a lizard sound. We call it cicak in Malay. Okay, so you can see the emissive, the pattern, the transparency, semi-transparency, and the solid color, the emissive color. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.